What's the meaning of codification? Codification. Codification.
Codification. Codification. Codification refers to the process of organizing laws or regulations into a systematic and ordered form. It involves arranging legal provisions according to specific categories and placing them in a structured framework. The result of codification is a clear, concise and comprehensive set of laws that make it easier to understand and apply them. This can promote consistency and reliability in legal decision-making and reduce ambiguity and confusion in legal proceedings. Codification also helps to ensure that laws are accessible to all, regardless of their level of legal knowledge or expertise.